Hi, in this episode, we're going to talk about shell scripts. Shell scripts is your first step into automation. A shell script really is a file that contains instructions for your shell. Think of any task you have to do as a systems administrator. It might require a single line of command or multiple lines of command. You might have to run this task repetitively at certain intervals. You might have to allow someone else who's going to run this task. And you might have some complex tasks, like asking for user input and doing something based on that user input, or really having a task that is split into multiple different steps. Well, all of that can be combined into a shell script. What a shell script is, it's simply a text file. A text file with a sequence of commands that the shell can execute. And it serves very important purposes for a systems admin or a power user in Linux. The first is the ability to automate repetitive tasks. Instead of typing out multiple instructions for a task to complete, you simply run the script just once, which will have an entire sequence of tasks that you can repeat again and again as long as you keep running the same script. It also allows you to simplify complex commands. Commands such as, again, reading user input, doing a single task based on a certain condition, or simply repeating a task based on an index using a looping mechanism. It also allows you to create reusable tools. So the task or the script that you create can be run today, and tomorrow someone else can run your script on their system in order to, again, complete a certain task or a job. So really, a shell script can be thought of as an entire project of ideas or an entire set of instructions that will be executed when you execute this text file. In the upcoming labs, we're going to discuss how to put together shell scripts, how to really put together certain items inside your shell scripts, such as the use of variables, the use of conditional statements that will run a task only when a certain condition is met or not met, and the use of loops, which allows you to repetitively run certain portions of your script based on a looping condition. So this episode has covered what shell scripts are, and moving forward, we're going to cover other aspects of shell scripts, like how do we exactly create one? What are the different elements of shell scripts? And how we start running shell scripts in order to automate tasks and make our life simple by having these repetitive pieces of code that you can run yourself or allow others to run on their systems. Thanks for watching this episode. I'll see you in the next one.